Topic 7.2, one of my favorites, prime and composite numbers. So every whole number greater than 1 is not included, is either a prime or a composite number. A prime number is a number that has exactly two factors, 1 and itself. And a composite number has more than two factors. For example, let's take 3. Okay, when we take 3 and factor it down, you basically have 1 times 3. That's it. That's all we can do. So 3 would be a prime number because the only way you can break that down is 1 times itself. If you take a number like 10, we can break 10 down to 1 and 10. But we can also break 10 down into 2 and 5. So the factors of 10 would be 1, 2, 5, 10. More than just 1 in itself. So 10 would be an example of a composite number. I'm telling you though, you're going to have to be careful because sometimes you'll see a number like 77. And at first glance, you'd probably think that that is a prime number. But if you go through all your factors, you would actually realize, oh, that is 7 times 11. So definitely check your times tables, your factors. And you know definitely if it's an even number, 48 is going to be at least divisible by 2. So go through those numbers and you should be able to break them down to either prime or composite. So this is where it really comes in handy that you know your factors, your times tables, because you have to run through those to see if you can figure these out. Let's take the number 71. Is that prime or composite? Now hold your horses. Let's just go through this. Well, we know it's not divisible by 2 because it's an odd number. But is it divisible by 3? Sometimes you have to just divide it out. 71 divided by 3. 1, 9, whoops, 3. No, it's not divisible by 3. How about 4? Well, 4 isn't always going to end in an even number with their multiples, so it's not 4. How about 5? Nope, can't be divisible by 5 because it's not a the last digit is not a 5 or a 0. 6 is always going to get even numbers. 7, well, looking at 7 going into 71, that would go in 10 times with 1 left over, so nope, 7 doesn't work. 8's an even number. 9, how about 9? Oy. 71 divided by 9. No, we know that that is going to be what? That's going to be 7, which is 63. That's not going to go in even. So 71, I'm going to go ahead and say that is prime. How about the number 86? Is that prime or composite? Well, it's an even number. So automatically that makes it composite. But then you have a number like 63. So going through 63 with your times tables, is that going to be prime or composite? 2? No, it's an odd number. 3? Let me show you a little trick here. Anything that is divisible by 3, if you actually add these two digits together, 6 plus 3, that's going to get you 9. If when you add those digits together and it ends up with a number that is divisible by 3, then this number right here is going to be divisible by 3, and that's true. 63 divided by 3 is 21. So therefore this is composite. Alright, I'll give you a couple over here. You tell me if they are prime or composite, and I'll see you in the morning.